3 of the Daniel fast, I am still pinching myself with joy that I feel so good physically during this fast. I hope that if you guys have started the fast that you are not feeling like death and that you're doing okay. If you watched a couple of my videos ahead of time and decided to kind of not jump in cold turkey of giving all these things up, but just doing it slowly, I would love to hear if it helped with you on your journey. Anyways, I'm here today to show you guys my food. Today was actually a really different day for the Daniel fast. I will say I don't think that it was like your perfect Daniel fast because I think I ate something that was fried. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure. And I don't think you're supposed to have fried foods on the fast. It was vegan still. I live in Florida and I happen to be so lucky and so blessed to have an annual pass to Disney, and I go often. I love it. It's literally like my dream come true. So anyways, I was really curious, like, how is this gonna work going to Disney with the Daniel fast? Because I was thinking to myself, I don't want to stop going to Disney, but you're there, you're hungry, you want food, and there you go. So one, I will say I do try to bring snacks. The last time I went, I brought a Lara bar, and then you guys will never believe this, but the popcorn at Disney is vegan. I was a little shocked when I heard that. I did not believe it. Somebody told me that, and I went and I looked and I asked, and they said, yeah, it's vegan. I was like, well, sure doesn't taste vegan. It tastes real good. So anyways, so here is what I've eaten today, my breakfast. And then here is what I ate at Disney today. That was something good. I'm nervous.
All right, first bite taste test.
That is a serious onion. Holy, that's, wow. I can't even cut through the onion.
There you go.
I like onion, but not that much onion.
I don't want it.
Your first face was kind of like,
You can see how it's vegan.
yeah.
Like the texture. That is vegan.
Yep.
Vegan seafood. No offense to the vegans. I love the vegan people.
See me put my food in my belly.
It probably tastes better on a bun.
Yeah. What do you think?
Better than the pizza.
Yeah. All right, there you go.
When it comes to that, it was a plant-based crab cake sandwich with like a vegan slaw and then a giant red onion on it. I took the bun off, so I ate it without the bun. And first I have to say, one, I'm not normally vegan, and I just, nothing against vegan people at all. I think they're amazing, just the fact they can eat like that regularly, but I just think it's so weird to eat what's supposed to be a fish sandwich that's like not fish. I actually don't even know what was in it. They just said it's vegan, and I'm like, okay, let's do it. If I could like get over that and just like not think what's in this, then I thought it tasted okay. I did have a vegan pizza there recently, and it was awful. Like, so gross. Somebody messaged me on Instagram. I talked about it on my Instagram, and they said, don't ever do the vegan cheese at Disney. They said it's awful. They said if you're ever gonna do pizza, just get a pizza with no cheese. But anyway, the pizza is definitely not something you do on the Daniel fast because of bread. So anyways, I'm getting off on a tangent, sorry. Sometimes I get really chatty. Let's see, what else did I want to say? Okay, one thing I wanted to say with this vegan fish sandwich, like I said, I'm not 100% sure if that would be like a Daniel fast friendly food, but I do think that when you're in those scenarios, you just give it your best. And that's something I have said in all of my videos with the Daniel fast, is I love the grace and mercy of Jesus and how he is not going to judge me if I don't do it perfect. He is going to love me either way. And that's what gets me through these fasts. Anyways, there's my little rant of the day. I'm gonna make some leftover curry tonight, and I have a video for that. I will link it after this if you guys wanna see it. Delicious. I'll show a photo of it too in case you wanna see it. And that is my food for the day. So thanks for watching, you guys. Be blessed with your Daniel fast. I hope it goes good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this helps on your Daniel fast journey. And don't forget to check out the description box down below for all the details of everything I ate. And that's it. Talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.